Whoa, did you see that? Hey, what's going on? It's Matt. I am out on the California Delta. As you can tell, I'm much closer to you again. That's because I'm back in my kayak, the Lure. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of stoked to be back in my own kayak because it just kind of feels like home, and it feels like, you know, the right place to be. You know, when you have something for a little bit of time, it gets comfortable. So I guess to say I'm back being comfortable, but it's early in the morning. We've got high tide. I'm going to throw around some top water. I'm out here with a bunch of other guys. We're probably all going to go our separate ways, to be honest with you. But let's see if I can't get on some fish. I'm going to throw around a top water right now. I'm going against the wind. It's windy again. But what are you going to do, right? Here's something funny. What I actually talked about yesterday in the My 2 Cents with the boaters versus kayakers. Just at the launch ramp right now, 2 boaters were going at it because one guy couldn't launch his boat. So, what I talk about is real, people. Is that who I think it is? Is that Luca Myers Snotters? I threw top water, just so you know. So I threw top water in the beginning, just so you know. Not just throwing a Cinco right now. For I'm just trying to keep it real. Fish. Here we go. The first fish back in the Lure. Not bad. Whoa, did you see that? Ariel. Whoa, he's pulling. He's a fighter. Oh, he just came off. At least I got the air show. Get out of there. Oh, he's caught on something. Come on. Ah, come on. That's 2. Look at that. Look at you getting a fish. Looks like a good fish too. Oh, well, he's moving. Oh, that's a good fish, Lucas. You need a net?
I got one.
That's a 3.5. Oh, she is healthy. Whoa. Yeah. She is healthy.
Oh my god, that was barely on there.
That's why I was like, what are you doing, dude? Get a.
I got one. I was committed. I was like, come here.
That's a healthy fish. Right in these outside toolies, right?
On the inside of it. I just dropped the...
Yeah, I saw where you dropped it. I know it's hard for you to break out finesse, man.
It is a little bit, but I'm not going to fight with this fish one of these.
Yeah.
They're not on a reaction line.
Yep. Probably more when the sun gets around the bend. There's a fish. Got one. Boy, they're fighting, dude. There's another one on the BWA Prism. Fish! It's a good one too. Yep. I can get him in the net. Healthy little fish. That is, I don't know, number 4 or 5. Alright, that's going to be the end of the day for me. It's about 2 p.m. Been out here since 5:30 in the morning. Couldn't get that last bite. Thanks for watching these things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day. Thanks. Last cast.